Hi guys, we're launching our Gstrategy program from this week, this Monday. So in case you want to join our crash course for the CAT exam, so please call the numbers. Or you can WhatsApp to attend the demo lecture, or in case you want books, mocks, shortcuts, any of the programs. All the best. IIM Indore have just completed their summer placements and they have got a very good response in this summer placement process, and this I want you as a motivation. Look at this as a motivation. Hey, if you crack one of the top colleges, you will be ending up with the similar companies. Recruiters line up at IIM Indore for the summer placement drives. A lot of companies came on campus. FMCG sectors saw the boom. Sales and marketing department saw the boom, especially FMCG. AB and Bev, Asian Paints, Atomberg, Coca-Cola, Dadar, Dr. Reddy, HUL, ITC, all of them came on campus. IIM Indore have just completed their summer internship program. Summer internship basically for 2 months you are going to work in the company and company is going to pay the stipend as well. Yes, काम करने के लिए पैसा भी आपको मिलता है, learning के लिए पैसा भी मिलता है, and highest is 4 lakh rupees stipend for 2 months of experience at IIM Indore. So if you look at the article here, IIM Indore spokesperson say the total 573 students participated in the process. Yeah, the median stipend is 2 lakh rupees for 2 months. So 1 lakh rupees per month is the average stipend. Okay, this is the largest batch in terms of number of students, and 150 companies came on campus, and including Google from India and abroad. Google, Amazon, American Express, BCG, Barclays, Cipla, TCS showed the interest in taking up the students. IIM Indore obviously the top college, NERF rank 6 and 193 acre campus. IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bangalore is 100 acre campus. So IIM Indore is double the size of IIM Ahmedabad, almost 193 200 acre campus. Yeah. So how good is the college? So average salary is now touching 24 to 25 lakh at IIM Indore. Fine. Now those who want to join the college for open category, you need to get 99 percentile if you are a general engineer male. In CAT exam crack 99 percentile. मैं बोल रहा हूँ यार, तुम्हारे जितने लाइफ में दुख दर्द सब साफ हो जाएंगे if you cross 99 percentile. If you are a non-engineer, there is slight relaxation. You can get up to 98 percentile पे call. Open category, engineer 99, non-engineer 98 पे you will get the main IIM calls. If not IIM Indore, you might get IIM Lucknow, IIM Kozhikode. Fine, but IIM Indore is very focused on the academic record as well. So you need to have a decent academic record to get the call. Now if you're from OBC, EWS 95 percentile is enough to get the call, and SC/ST even 85 percentile will give you the call from main IIMs. 99, 98, OBC 95, OBC EWS 95, and SC/ST PWD 85 percentile. That should be your target in the CAT exam. All the best.